5 secrets to make caulk last longer. Everybody likes living in a nice home, but actually doing improvements isn't something we want to do. It is a daunting task that consumes a lot of time. Time we'd rather spend looking after ourselves, caring for family, or meeting with friends. So, it is reasonable to try doing these improvements efficiently and in a way that will last a long time. That's why today I will be talking about 5 secrets you need to know to make your caulk last for years, even in the areas where there is often some residual water, e.g. around the sink. Let's get started. 1. Make sure you clean old caulk well. If you don't do it, mold may subsequently multiply and quickly spoil the new caulk. 2. Wait until the water disappears completely. If the working area is near water, then it is better not to use it for 6 to 12 hours. Make sure the room is well ventilated. 3. Clean everything with alcohol or any other degreasing solvent. Thorough disinfection will prevent the caulk from peeling off the surface, and therefore will prevent water from getting between the caulk and the surface. 4. Using a pre-caulking filler rope. A precompaction filler rope is a big topic. I will show several videos a bit later to tell you what it is, in what cases, and how it is used and why it is so important. For now, without going into the details, the rope is crucial to prevent peeling off caulk for slightly movable joints, for example, a ceramic bathroom and plasterboard wall. 5. Prevention. If water constantly accumulates in a certain area, for example, at the sink, then periodically wipe this area with a dry cloth so that the water does not remain for a long time. That's about it. I hope it was helpful. If you learned something new, comment below to let me know which topics I should talk about more next time. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!